Your house will smell for 3 days and 3 nights. Even the neighbor will feel the perfume. For today's tip, we will need 3 oranges. And we're gonna make 2 cuts on them like that. But don't cut to the end. Let's make room for the slices to still be together. And we're going to transfer one of the oranges to a pot. Now we will need 5 tablespoons of coarse salt. And let's add them over the orange, spreading very well between the slices of orange. After that, we will add 3 tablespoons of vinegar over the coarse salt. The vinegar will help highlight the smell of orange. Now let's add 25 milliliters of softener, also over the coarse salt. We will use the lid to help insert over the other ingredients to highlight the smell. Now let's insert another orange into another pot. And again, we're going to add coarse salt between the slices of it. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Shiban from Japan. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. And we'll also add the vinegar again over the coarse salt. After that, we will add clove over the other ingredients, spreading very well through the pot, just like I'm doing. Now let's insert the last orange into a pot. And again, we will add the coarse salt. For sure you will love this mixture. I myself use in my bathroom and even in the kitchen. After I started using this mixture, the smell of my house became more pleasant and fragrant. And we'll also add the vinegar by repeating the same dose as the other times. And that concludes today's tip. Now come with me, and I'll show you how to use today's tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.